The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Adora Body Sculpting Clinic. Who doesn't have a body part that they'd like to change? It can be frustrating for both men and women. Countless hours at the gym and they still have problem areas. Well, today we are at the Adora Body Sculpting Clinic, where we are going to meet a woman who's going to have fat taken out of one section of her body and transferred somewhere else. Let's go inside.
Hey, hi Cindy, how are you?
I'm very well, Dr. Solomon.
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, well, come on in.
All right. Meet Lisa. She's going to have fat removed from her abdomen and transferred to her breasts. She's been thinking about having this procedure for years.
Working out, it does help. Being on a diet, it does help. But there's certain pockets in this body of mine that suddenly they said, no, we're not going to go away. We're here. Okay, so, and I finally felt comfortable enough to make that decision and saying, you know what, I'm going to be this age coming up and I want to go ahead and make myself look a lot better.
What are the advantages to taking your own fat and transferring it?
Well, it gives you that natural feel of the breast. Some women do not like to have any implants put in because of the risk.
Today, Dr. Solomon is using traditional power-assisted liposuction under low suction so the fat isn't damaged. First, a numbing liquid is put in. Then a suction tube is moved back and forth under the skin to break up and remove the extra fat. The removed fat is cleaned up with saline and will be transferred into the breasts.
This procedure is done under a local anesthesia. The patient is totally awake and conversing with us and asking questions. If she needs to, we said listen to music, we talk. There's really no discomfort at all.
Dr. Solomon will follow up with some smart lipo. That involves a laser that melts the fat before it's removed. Patients who get smart lipo during a lunch break can usually go back to work the same day.
Once we take the fat or remove the fat from her abdomen, we will go back with the smart lipo and tighten the skin. There's a way that we can do it where we can give her some tightening so she has a tight abdomen.
Smart lipo is recommended for people who have problem areas that aren't too large.
The area where the smart lipo work the best is chins, arms, a smaller abdomen, inner thighs, and outer thighs.
When you have liposuction done to a certain section of your body, is that permanent or can the fat come back?
That's a very good question. When you take these fat cells out, or you use the laser to lyse these fat cells are killed or they're gone forever. However, if somebody does not watch their diet and they go in a binge or something like that and they gain weight, they can gain the weight in a different area of the body.
Here are a few more examples of patients who have had their bodies reshaped through smart lipo. As you can see, the results are dramatic, even for patients who weren't very large to begin with. Lisa smiles and chats throughout the procedure. The mood is relaxed as Dr. Solomon works on taking her from a 34B to a 34C or D. When the procedure is complete, Lisa will have to wear a compression garment for 6 weeks, and she'll be rocking a bikini in no time. The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Adora Body Sculpting Clinic.
Hi, I'm Teresa Tappan. From my home to your home, today's tip is thumbs away. Maximize that muscle activation by getting your thumbs away, which will rotate those shoulders back. So let's get in alignment, toes forward, bend those knees, tuck, lift, ribs. Thumbs away. See how those shoulders go back? Keep it tucked, shoulder roll, up and back. When the thumbs are away, feel how much more muscles activate between those shoulder blades. Again, once more here. Now bring them up, thumbs away. Clap, pull back. Feel how much more muscles activate, shoulders back. Once more. Last time. And now, big shoulder roll. Just think throughout the day. Thumbs away. Pulling a suitcase, picking up a package. Thumbs away, support your shoulder and burn more calories because you're activating more muscles inside.